Welcome to WoodWing Scienta. In this guide, we'll explore the Tasks feature, a powerful tool designed to streamline collaboration and enhance workflows within your organization. With Tasks, you can assign responsibilities, track progress, and ensure that your team stays aligned and up to date. Whether you're coordinating content reviews, assigning updates, or managing forms, Tasks make it easy to stay organized and focused. To create a new task, start by opening the desired article on the portal page. Then, click the New Task button at the top of the article. This will display 5 task options, each tailored to a specific purpose. The first option is the Edit task, which allows admins to assign a task to themselves or another admin to edit one or more articles within Scienta. This type of task is perfect for when content needs to be updated, revised, or edited by someone with admin rights. The second option is the Review task, which allows admins to assign a task to any user, group, or even themselves for reviewing one or more articles. The purpose of this task is to ensure that the content is thoroughly evaluated, helping catch any errors or improvements that might have been missed during initial drafting. Next, we have the Read task. This task is typically used when you need a user or group to read articles, whether for general awareness, research purposes, or to gather specific insights. It is an ideal task when you want to ensure that certain individuals are informed about new updates or important changes. The To-Do task allows admins to assign a task to a user, group, or themselves to complete a specific action on one or more articles. This task is generally used for any action that needs to be done, such as gathering information or confirming details. Finally, the Request for Change task is another powerful option that's particularly useful for suggesting changes or additional information to the article's author. This task allows users or admins to provide constructive feedback or requests for revisions, clarifications, or updates to content. The assignee doesn't need editing permissions, making it an accessible way to contribute to the content of articles. Once you've selected the type of task you want to create, a pop-up window will appear where you can configure the task. Here, you can choose to assign the task to yourself or another user. Admins have the flexibility to set deadlines for each task, ensuring that tasks are completed on time. For additional options, you can click on the More Options button, which opens more configuration settings. In the Planning section, you can choose to create the task immediately, schedule it for later, or set it as a recurring task. You can also select the option to create the task only after a specific status change in the content, making it more dynamic and adaptable to your workflow. In the Articles section, you'll choose which articles the task is assigned to. This can be one article or multiple articles at once. The Assignees section allows you to specify who will be responsible for completing the task, whether it's you, another user, or a group. Lastly, in the Properties section, you can add a title and description that will appear in the task assignee's email notification, giving them a clear understanding of the task. You also have the option to enable a reminder for the assignee if the task is not completed by the deadline. Once the task is created, the assignee will receive an email notification and can find the task listed under My Tasks on the portal, making it easy to track and complete. There are multiple ways to start tasks in Scienta, offering flexibility to suit your workflow. In addition to using the New Task button in the top bar of an article, tasks can be created directly from the portal page. Simply click the plus button next to the search bar and select Create a New Task. This button allows you to create a task the same way as creating it directly from an article. Additionally, you can also start tasks via the Task Management page or the editor, depending on your preferences and workflow. Whether you're assigning tasks for editing, reviewing, reading, or filling out forms, the Task feature offers the flexibility you need to keep everything running smoothly. Scienta's task management tools not only improve efficiency, but also foster better collaboration within your organization. Thank you for watching.